Most people get this wrong. They think finance apps are all the same. But Blue Peak Finance in 2026 is built to make your money work smarter, not harder. It combines budgeting, automated saving, and predictive insights in one user-friendly platform. With Blue Peak, you can set multiple financial goals like emergency savings, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. The app automatically calculates safe contributions based on your spending and income, so you don't have to think about it daily. Small automated transfers like this can grow surprisingly quickly, even if you only start with modest amounts. Blue Peak also tracks your spending patterns and upcoming bills, sending alerts if you risk overspending or missing a payment. The dashboard provides a clear visual of your cash flow, savings, and goals, making financial planning straightforward for beginners and seasoned users alike. Security is strong, with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud detection. Your funds remain in insured accounts, and customer support is available via chat or email. Limitations: Blue Peak focuses solely on banking and financial management, so you won't find investment or trading services here. But for anyone looking to manage money smarter, save consistently, and gain actionable insights, it's a great option. So, is Blue Peak Finance worth it in 2026? Absolutely, especially for those who want a modern, intuitive, and proactive approach to managing money. Subscribe for more reviews to help you make smarter financial decisions.